In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a consistent visual system for a brand in Artistly AI. Once you're logged into Artistly AI, go to your dashboard and open the Branding or Design Tools section where you can start building your visual system. First, define your brand direction. This means choosing a consistent style for your visuals, such as colors, mood, typography, and overall aesthetic. You can type a prompt that describes your brand. For example, modern tech brand, clean minimal style, blue and white color palette, professional and consistent look. Next, use Artistly AI to generate a set of visuals based on that same prompt. The key here is consistency, so make sure you reuse the same style description across every generation. After generating your images, select your best outputs and start organizing them as a brand set. This can include logos, banners, social media posts, and marketing visuals that all share the same visual identity. If Artistly AI allows saving styles or prompts, store your winning prompt so you can reuse it anytime and keep your branding consistent across all future designs. Once everything is aligned, download your assets and use them across your brand platforms for a unified look. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.